we leave tomorrow. We're leaving Perez Celedon tomorrow to go to our new location, and then in the morning we have to go do some groceries because we're gonna go to an area that doesn't have stores close by. So yeah, so tomorrow morning we're gonna hit the grocery stores, we're gonna buy some food and take it with us in the car. And I am kind of trying to do like a meal plan. I'm trying to organize my ideas because I want to be more prepared to cook recipes, because I always cook wherever I'm at, but I've been cooking like really simple, fast, quick, easy meals, and I'm feeling like I want to elaborate more and I want to take more time cooking because I'm going to be in a different area and I'm going to be alone. And in these past weeks I've kind of been with people, so it has been a little bit harder for me and it's just different. So I'm excited to just cook, just me and my husband, and do some yummy delicious recipes. So stay tuned for that.